This is part 13 of a video series where we create a corporate section zoom template in PowerPoint. And in this video, we'll be creating the recent achievement slide. Let's create a new slide. So go over to the Home tab and we're going to create a new blank slide. Let's start with a shape. So go over to Shapes, Rectangle, and I'm just going to draw one here. Go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. And for shape outline, change the color to black. Let's change the dimensions of this shape. The height is going to be 12.4 and width is going to be 30.5. And let's center it and also align it to the middle of the entire slide. Next, let's insert an image. So go to Insert, Pictures, and select Stock Images. Let's search handshake, and I'm going to use this image, and I'll just insert the image. Let me change the height to 13.2, and I'm going to bring it. This image is quite wide for what I'm going for, so just select crop and let's reduce it to somewhere around 16 points, maybe even more. I want to get it close to 16.5. Oh, that's a little bit smaller for what I'm going for. Not really. Okay, it's currently 16.2. It's anything 16.2, 3, 4, 5. Anything's fine. I'm just going to move this a bit so that I can have something like this. I'm just going to click on escape and I'm going to align this image to the center. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm currently in the picture format and there's this option here that is a selection pin. Go ahead and select it and then bring the image below the rectangle like this. So what I'm trying to do now is have equal spacing on this side, similar to what we have here. So I'm just going to use my arrow keys to move this image a little bit to the right, and I can close this. Next, go over to Insert. We're going to insert a text box, and this is going to be recent achievement. And I'm going to have that on 2 lines. Select the entire text box, change the font to Railway, and size is going to be 44. And I'm just going to move this up a bit. May still have to move it again, but for now let's have it here. I'll use Ctrl and Shift to create a copy of this text box. Let me go to my notes and I'm going to copy this too. Select everything in that text box and then paste it. Select the entire text box, change the font to Open Sans and size is 24, and make the point bullet point. I'm just going to increase the width of this a little bit. Okay, so I think this looks good. I'm going to leave everything as it is like this. Finally, let's add our animation. Go over to the Animations tab, select this 2, and we're going to use Float In. Let's select just this title. In Start, make it with Previous. This one, first let's go to Effects and let it be by paragraph. Now you see that we have 2 options here, so select this one, make it after previous, and this one is going to be after previous. I have a feeling that this may not go well. The best way to see if it's working how I want it is just to say it's in the slideshow view. Okay, that actually worked fine. thought it was going to bring this one first before this one. Sometimes it happens where you mess up the timing. But yeah, that's it for the recent achievements slide.